Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. So today I'm in the wood shop. We have our potatoes about ready to come out of our garden in about 2 or 3 days. So I'm getting prepared for that by building 5 or 6 of these potato crates. I'm going to show you how to build one of these crates right here out of a single 2x4. These crates measure 16 by 22 inches inside and they're about 3.5 inches tall. They are stackable, so they're going to be perfect for our potatoes. So I'm going to show you the tools you need and the process that you use to make something like this on a budget. Let's get to work. Okay, so the first thing I like to do is just start by shaving off the end of this 2x4, giving us a nice square end. The next step will be to measure out and cut two 23.5-inch pieces. I'm going to be cutting multiples of these, so I already have my hard stop all set up. The next step will be to cut a 16-inch section right off the 2x4, which is going to be used for the sides. I'm going to go ahead and set up my hard stop since I'm going to be cutting multiples of these as well. Okay, so we're set up to do 4 crates, plus the one that I've already built. So we have 2 23.5-inch sections and 1 16-inch section per crate. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to set up the bandsaw to rip these down into slats. So I've got my temporary fence set up on my bandsaw. The gap right here is just under 1/2 inch. The first crate I made, I had this right at 1/2 inch, and the last slat came through just a little thin. So I bumped this over a little bit, probably about a 32nd of an inch. I'm going to go ahead and rip the bottom slats first, and then I'm going to work on the sides and the front and back. Well, that wraps up the bottom slats. I'm going to move on to making the front and the back as well as the sides. I'm going to cut those on the bandsaw using the same technique I used for the bottom slats and cut those to 3/4 of an inch thick. Okay, so now is the fun part. We get to assemble some things here. So we got our fronts and backs, our sides, and our bottom slats. What we're going to do is form the frame, get it nice and square first, and then we're going to lay down our bottom slats. And all I do is center the first one, then I use a 3/4 inch board to space out the rest. Just using some 16 gauge brad nails, 1¼ inch length, and a little bit of wood glue. Let's get building. Okay, not easy. It's, if I had to guess, I'd say that's somewhere around the 2-minute mark to make one of these. I think these are going to work really well for what we're doing. Like I said, we're going to have potatoes coming out in about 2 or 3 days. So what I'll probably do is take you along for that event. So that's going to be it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed this content. I just wanted to thank everybody for all the support they've given us. We've been doing the YouTube thing for about 6 weeks now. We're having a lot of fun with it. If you haven't already, check us out on Instagram and at Facebook at Meadow Green Homesteading. We like to post kind of just daily entertainment stuff going on around the homestead, and kind of like little previews of what's going on in our YouTube videos. So, but again, thank you for all the support you guys have given us. If you haven't already, please consider liking and subscribing. Until next time, we'll see you.